Oruterano oru rutayisibwa Nkole Diocese kandi rwiguraho ishabareberezi w'ekanisa ya Uganda Archbishop Stephen Kazimba Mugalu kandi gwayitabamu ebinyete erikwingana rushanju. Omu bigambo bye ishabarisa w'ekanisa ya Uganda Archbishop Kazimba Mugalu yayihanangiriza eminyeto okwehara okuremesibwa hamwe n'okubihabisibwa.
So welcome. And I want to tell you there is a lot of sabotagers and those who can lead you into diversion. There are always people they can divert you.
Ichabareberezi yayongera yahabura eminyeto kwehara okukozesebwa omu kuteekaho entaro na munonga mbururu.
Don't be used as instrument for chaos and war. And I like this comment from the unknown author. He said, war is the place where younger people who do not know each other, who do not hate each other.
Professor Bishop Sheldon Mwesegwa yagira ngo ruterano oru n'umuringo gumwe ubwo kutebekanisa abebembezi ba nyincakare abari kumenya icyo gukora.
Bararuge mu abebembezi babe bari abebembezi abatari bashuma abatine buriyarya kandi abakundana abakwatanisa kutakushorora mu nganda nari ecweke cywargamu abo kubabona bargomba iceka bitakushana.
Okurujira rukarahanga Melvin wabari mjenyi mukuru habo eminyeto yagira ngo eminyeto ishemerere kwebembeza ruhanga kweko rizina rurunjo mbantu.
Personal branding, dress well, learn skills, read good books which dad poor dad, read your Bible and pray every day if you want to grow. Do you remember that song?
Bamwe aminyeto habtu agamba nabo bagamba abirunji bari kuvugana omuntera nenkezi.
Even keminyeto simarhanga abo kuba tuyambinjo muyeti tuyamba kugana abantu bamwe na bamwe akumana kumanya
kuyamba eminyeto eryo mu kihumuro kureba ngo yayega emyoga etari emwe nemwe iyo kubasa kujibisaho no kugikora bize kutari okuzoku no kushanga bakora busha.
Oruterano oru rwo mu rundi rwa mwenda nuruza kumara ebiro 11 aho emyenyeto kurwo mu nshonda zihanga neza kuhanura hanshonga zo kweyombeka no kwetungura. Makuru agasha kwa Ian akankwasa umurimbara.